Student. In this video we will see how to install Cisco ASA 9.1.5, which is fully licensed cluster and security context enable firewall, where you can do anything, which is fully prepared and fully licensed version. How we can do? First of all, I need to tell you that I am using GNS3 227 version and Windows 10 with 64-bit and 16 GB RAM. You can see this one, GNS3 server 227. KVM support has to be true. Okay, and also you can see from here 227. I'm using version 7. KVM has to be true, which I already told you. How we can install this one? So I need to follow some steps. These are the steps so that I can deploy this firewall. Okay, so let me go to show you. Go to edit, preferences, go to QEMU. Okay, click on new button, not a local computer, you have to choose GNS3 VM. Next, type any name, suppose ASA cluster enable. Okay, any name you can give. Next, RAM is required at least 4096. Let me verify. You can give them 2 GB by the way as well. It's not necessary. I just need to check 2048. Yeah, so it has to be not too much. 2048. Okay, next has to be telnet. Okay, here click on new image and choose the image because I already have, so I have to choose HTA, this one. But in your case you have to browse and go to I put them here. This is the image with HTA. What is this image? By the way, if you need this one, just Google it. Don't ask me to share because I don't want to be in trouble. So just copy and paste, you will find this image. ASA with cluster enable 915. This ASA with clustering security context enable with 7-zip. If you Google it, you will find this image. Okay, that's the only way to quickly find out. So when you unzip it, you will find HTA QCOW2. Okay, so that's need to choose it here. But in my case, because I already have installed, so let me choose existing image. You have to choose new image and you have to put this image HDA which I show you. Okay, and finish. That's it. So now go to edit. It will put this Cisco ASA image and end devices. This is end devices. I need to put it in security devices. I need to change the name to ASA, suppose. So it will show when you drag it, so the name will be ASA1, ASA2 and all those stuff. Two things, if you want to change the symbol, so let me change the symbol as well, because the symbol it will provide is a system symbol. So let me go to square with firewall. Yeah, so let me choose this firewall. So I change the symbol, security device, and change the name. What else I need to change? Okay, from here and network, keep in mind, and network you have to come here, choose the type, this one, ER, this one with ER. You have to choose a type with ER. What else? Uncheck this one because you want to make it as a template. Either no need, just put the option command. I think so. Let me go through if I miss something. Yeah, I done this step. Now coming to this option command, so let me go to option command. I have put somewhere, this one is the option code. Okay, these are the two code. Keep in mind, if you have an old GNS3, let me apply an okay. Let me show you one thing. I'm using 227. If you are using old, which is behind 2, okay, either 2 1 whatever. If you are using 2 2 and onward, so you have to use this code. If you are using old GNS3, you have to use this code. In this code only the small thing is changed. Let me show you that thing which is changed. Let me go through. There is a small change you have to put. Yeah, this one. This is no user configuration, but here is node fconfig. It's the only difference. The rest of the code is same one. So let me copy this code and go back to preferences, QEMU, my new Cisco cluster, enable this one. Why it doesn't change the, okay, I didn't save to security device. I didn't apply the setting, that's why. And what else I change? Yeah, I changed the image. So firewall, let me choose a firewall, go to network, choose ER and advanced, type that code, okay, apply and okay. Now this one is cluster enable, drag it and use it, that's it. If I click on it, so this is fully licensed firewall. Now it's booting Cisco ASA 9.15, where you can do all your tests like a cluster, like a active passive, everything is available. Site to site VPN, remote access VPN, SSL VPN. So everything is available there and you can use it. Let it to be booted. So let me show you the license and everything. Okay, so the only thing is this thing. Okay, you can find the image very easily, google it and follow my step. If you face an issue you can ping me. Okay, so wait till it boot. Okay, so I just need to show you, it's okay, it will work. I just need to show you the license where you can do, because the in previous video which I install and that one is limited thing, it's not licensed, so you cannot do many things, but in this one you can do all your labs. Okay, so by the way, these were the steps which I follow until it is so I'm using this. I go to preferences, then QEMU, then any name you write, give them a RAM, whatever RAM you want to give them, 2048 the RAM. Choose telnet, new image. Okay, go to, after that go to network, change the interface, and this is the code to put it, an option. Okay, that's it. Now let's see, it's starting. The only thing is about the code. If you are using old GNS, you have to use this code. If you have new GNS, you have to use this code. So I'm just waiting. Yeah, it's come up. So enable show version. Okay, look at this. License feature unlimited physical interfaces, maximum variant 100, unlimited inside host. Look at active, you can do it failure active. Encryption, yes, it's working. Security context, you can do it security context up to 20, which is enough for us. And here is any connect and everything is enabled, and cluster is also enabled, which is 364-day, but it's okay. You can lab it, after that remove and drag a new template. So everything is enabled and is fully licensed and you can use it without any restriction, with full speed and everything. Not like this image, the one which I show you in the other video. and this one it's okay, but it's limited. You cannot do all your lab like active the when I just show you here. Okay, so if I go to that one, so this image is cluster enable and everything is available. Let me console this one as well. Show version, so unlimited license is okay. I'm just waiting for this one to come up, the one which I show you in last previous video. So many images are available for this one free, but the only issue is you cannot perform many lab in this version. Okay, it will restart. Okay, this one, the free version which is available on internet, many version 9.8, 9.7, 9. Many versions are available, but the only thing is you can do only basics lab, so it taking time. After a while it will reboot, then I can show you the license. My main purpose is why to show you this one, that this one can help you a lot, where you can do all your labs and practice without any restriction, without anything. Okay, so this one, yeah, it's almost there, just wait a moment. Okay, version is 9.8. okay, yeah, just come up, let me show you. Go to enable and show version. Okay, show version. So look at, I can only do active standby, but here I can do active as well. In free version encryption is enabled, but look at this one, any connect is only 2 pair. I can do it, but any connect I can do 1000. And this one, any connect essential is disabled, I cannot perform this lab. But here any connect essential, whereas I can do it easily. Yeah, this one more than 10,000. It's a other VPN, it's okay. The only thing is this one, any connect for mobile phone and all those tips are disabled, but it's enable. Look it. And the last thing to show you, cluster, it should be disabled here, I cannot do. Okay, botnet is here, it's a good thing by the way. I thought we cannot do botnet as well, but it's there in the free version. And also cluster is not there, it has to show me show version. Yeah, so cluster is disabled in the free version, but is enabled in this version. And so many things. Okay, so that's why we need cluster enable this image to work all the lab.